Here is a brief guide to using the Quick Order tool on the US Philips eStore. The Quick Order tool is an excellent time-saving feature to use when you know what product numbers you would like to order without needing to browse the product pages. This is especially beneficial for large orders where buyers want as little manual entry as possible on the storefront. First, you'll want to ensure you are on patientcare.shop.philips.com. Now log into your eStore account if you aren't logged in already by clicking the Login/Register button in the top right-hand corner. Enter your credentials and press Login. While logged in, on the center of the home page, you will see the Place Your Quick Order banner. You can navigate to the feature through this banner or alternatively by pressing the Profile button in the top right-hand corner with the human icon and your entity name, then select Quick Order from the dropdown. You can place a quick order using two different methods. One way is through manual entry of your product numbers and the desired quantities, and selecting Add to Cart, as shown here. The second method is by importing an Excel document, such as this, with the products you want to purchase in column A and the desired quantity in column B. You can save this Excel file and then simply click Import Order from Excel instead on the eStore, upload your Excel file, and proceed to your filled-in cart. You can see here we have our populated cart with our desired products. One final note to mention is that if you use the Quick Order tool for configurable products, be sure to configure them to your liking from the cart view. So by selecting Reconfigure under the respective product, you can add in any configurations that you would like. From here, simply proceed through the checkout process as normal. That is how you use the Quick Order tool on the eStore. Thank you for watching and for your interest in Philips products. Please use the following contact details to ask questions or request a live demo should more support be required. Enjoy your day.
Philips.